Right, reluctantly got a Saudi old girl. Turkey's getting like Zimbabwe, taxes on foreigners. 12 countries we've done together in 2 years. 30,000 kilometres. She's a very special old girl. Perfect motorbike weather. I'll talk about the bike more in a moment when I stop. But it's a beautiful day. It's lovely. Right, here we are. This is the beach I like to use in summer. It's off the beaten track and doesn't get crowded. Come up here on my new Enduro. Linda did a deal with me this morning that if I paid for all her new teeth, she'd give me the bike. So we've done that this morning. I've negotiated with the dentist. I won't say how much it's costing, but if I gave that money to the Greek government, it'd go a long way to paying off their national debt. So going to change this into an enduro bike. It's got a nice automatic feature. You don't need to bother putting the keys in, and these shock absorbers are adjustable, and I'll wind them up all the way, and that'll give it a bit of ground clearance, and I'll probably maybe drop the forks down in the yokes a little bit. So this is my new enduro bike, and so far it's been fine. I've got all the way up here and nothing's dropped off. Got a couple of issues. The front brake doesn't work. I don't know if you can see that, but all the oil's leaked out. The seal around the glass window has perished and all the oil's gone, and no front brake. So been riding around for the last 2 or 3 weeks with no front brake, and it's made riding around town quite interesting. But I'll get that fixed. I'm not going to go down there today because it's quite steep in places, and definitely need both brakes for going down there. So oh, one other little piece of news: the paperwork for owning a bike or a car has changed again in Turkey this week. Theo was explaining it to me and Mick yesterday. We didn't understand, either of us, but the cost's gone up. That's the only bit we understood. So watch this space. But, yeah, as you can see, nice tidy little cruiser stroke enduro machine, and I'll get some crash bars or something for down there, because those exhausts, they really burn when the bike goes over, as you can see. So I'll be getting that done. So that's it for this video diary. Until the next time. Just another quick view of the beach from a different place. So yeah, there's the track. Not going to chance it with no front brake. Oh, just another thing to add that I forgot to mention earlier. The bike doesn't handle too bad off-road actually. It's not as sure-footed as what the Transalp was, but a bit of practice, I'll get there. Yeah, I definitely need to figure out a way of mounting the camera. stopped here, saw a snake swimming in this river near those fish over there. I don't know if you can see the fish. Yeah, a long black one, about 4 feet, doing that sort of wriggling snake thing like they do. Yeah, ooh. Maybe it'll come back up again if I just wait quietly. God, I hate wildlife. Yeah.